Greetings, Internet! Today on Performance Reviews we're going to check out a replacement filter widely available on Amazon for the Blueair air purifier. First thing to note is the box came very nice, even had a UPC, made in China just like the air purifier, so I'm not really concerned about that. But this filter is a little bit different than the factory filter. So let's open the box, see what we get. Well, looks like if you registered, they gave you a coupon. That's kind of cool. Trying to build some customer loyalty. I'm going to explain to you what's here. So I've already put it in, but we'll just take it out and show you. So what you get in the box comes just like this. And the first thing you notice versus the genuine Blueair filter is the weight. The weight on this is much less. It's just HEPA with some sort of active carbon there. Then they give you 4 active carbon sheets and don't really tell you when to change them. Now, you're supposed to change the filter every 6 months, so I guess you decide when it's time, but they give you 4 of those. And the carbon does appear to still be active. It came in a Ziploc bag, which was kind of nice. Sometimes active carbon stuff doesn't come sealed, and then by the time it gets to you, it's expired. Now, it's clearly marked which way the airflow goes. So let's do that. We're going to put that in there. And when you put this in, be careful not to wrinkle it. Because generally this was designed for one piece. Now it is a little bit loose, but the genuine one's a little bit loose, so I'm not super concerned about that. Well, seems to fit. Smell it. So the air does smell clean and odor-free, kind of like a genuine filter. So I'll be curious to see, in a few months how this filter comes out. But so far, I would definitely give it a thumbs up. And for the $30 retail this is right now, I would just go for it. As always, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Performance Reviews. Give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're watching this on Amazon, go check out some of my other vacuum review videos.